Rob from Drift Outfitters. Now check out what I'll be using for tarpon on this trip to Belize. This is a big game stick. We are not mucking around with lighter rods. This is for migratory tarpon and some big bruisers in the blue and in these channels out here as well. So this is the Sage R8 Sold 9-foot 11 weight. Once again, this rod series is built with a ton of backbone. It's meant to lift fish and move fish and hold them off as they start to run. So get yourself into a proper saltwater stick if you're hitting those big game fish. So this Sage Salt R8 9-foot 11 weight is paired up with the Sage Thermo Reel. This reel was designed for serious big game fish. It is a mega reel. It's a little heavier than most, but the drag system is developed to really fight large fish, displace all the heat that's created in the drag system and keep this thing working as you're really putting it to the test. Now, the line I have matched with this is the Rio Tarpon line. It is built with a tropical setting in mind. It delivers great size flies for tarpon, like peanut butters and things like that. It's a perfect setup in my opinion. It casts well. It is a lot of rod to cast because by nature it's an 11 weight. But when you're targeting those big game fish, check out the Sage R8 Salt 9-foot 11 weight paired with a Thermo and a Rio Tarpon line.